Hello my dear students. Last class we have discussed about electronegativity. What is meant by electronegativity? Okay, the ability of atom to attract bonded pairs of electron towards itself is known as electronegativity, and values are ranging from 0 to 4. Most electronegative element is fluorine. Okay, today our topic is polar nature. Polar nature. You have studied about diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecule. Can you tell me the example for diatomic molecules? Okay, chlorine, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. And you can find out the electronegativity value of these chlorine, nitrogen and hydrogen, and the electronegativity values or difference are same, or there is no difference in their electronegativity value. So, these are diatomic molecule and they have no electronegativity difference. Okay, value in their values. Okay, but in the case of some other compounds, hydrogen chloride and covalent bonding structure is in the case of hydrogen chloride, the electronegativity in this compound have a difference in their electronegativity. Chlorine is most, in this case chlorine has higher electronegativity than compared to hydrogen, and you can see that these elements nucleus have attractive power to bonded pair towards its nucleus, towards its center. Okay, chlorine has a greater tendency to attract this pair of electrons, bonded pair of electron towards its nucleus. So, there is a presence of, there is a development of partial negative charge in the side of chlorine. Chlorine atom get partial negative charge. We can represent this partial negative charge using delta. This symbol is known as delta. This symbol is known as delta. And chlorine get a partial negative charge. Chlorine get partial negative charge, and also hydrogen get a partial positive charge. Chlorine get in hydrogen chloride molecule, chlorine get partial negative charge and hydrogen get a partial positive charge, and indicate delta negative and delta positive. Such compounds are known as polar compounds. Compounds having partial electrical charge within the molecules. Compounds having partial electrical charge within the molecules are known as polar compounds. Polar compounds. Okay. HCl, HF, HBr, H2O, NH3, etc. are polar compounds. The geometrical shape of water, ammonia, etc. also due to polar nature, due to the formation of polar nature. Okay. The partial electrical charge within the molecule is known as polar compound. HF, HBr, H2O, HCl, etc. are the examples for polar compounds. Okay. You have studied about ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Salt is a, or sodium chloride is a ionic compound, and wax is a covalent compound. Here is a table for you in your textbook, and in this table there are some properties of ionic compounds and covalent compounds are given. You should compare that properties with the salt and wax. First one, properties. First one, state. State, ionic compounds are always solid state, always in solid state. Then covalent compounds exist in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Covalent compounds exist in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Okay. Then solubility in water. Take a little sodium chloride salt and add in water. You can see that salt dissolve in water. Okay. Solubility in water, generally soluble in water. Generally soluble in water and generally insoluble in water. Wax does not cannot dissolve in water. Okay. Soluble in organic solvents like kerosene, carbon tetrachloride, benzene, etc. Okay. Then electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity. Conduct electricity in aqueous and molten state. Conduct electricity in aqueous and molten state and generally not a conductor of electricity. Generally not a conductor of electricity. Last one, melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. Ionic compounds have a high melting point. Ionic compounds have a high melting point. Covalent compounds usually low melting point. Their melting point and boiling point are low. These are the properties of ionic and covalent compounds. Next one is valency. Next one is valency. You have studied the compound sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. And what is the atomic number of sodium? The atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. 281 and chlorine 17, 287. Then for attaining stability, you know that atoms combine to form compounds. For attaining stability, or atoms undergo chemical reaction for attaining stability. Okay. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and attain stability or get octet. Okay. And chlorine also receive or accept this 1 electron and chlorine get stability. Okay. So, the valency of sodium is 1. Valency of sodium is 1 and the valency of chlorine also is 1. 1. Can you tell me what is mean by valency? Okay. Valency is the number of electrons lost, gained or shared during a chemical reaction. Okay. Valency is the number of electrons gained, lost or shared, okay, during the chemical reaction. Here the valency of sodium is 1 and chlorine is 1. Then consider hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen atomic number 1 and electronic configuration 1 and chlorine 17, electronic configuration 287. So, hydrogen get one electron lost, shared or transferred, that number is known as valency. Here the valency of hydrogen is 1 and chlorine is also 1. Here is a work for you. First one, consider the compound sodium chloride. Consider the compound sodium chloride. The symbol of sodium or constituent element in sodium chloride is Na and chlorine is Cl. Consider the compound sodium chloride. Here the symbol of sodium is Na or constituent element in sodium chloride is sodium and chlorine. First, the atomic number of sodium is 11 and electronic configuration is 281. Chlorine electronic configuration 287. Number of electrons transferred or shared. Number of electrons transferred or shared. Consider first sodium 1 and then consider chlorine 1. Valency of sodium is 1 and chlorine is 1. Next, compound magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, constituent element is magnesium and oxygen. The symbol of magnesium is Mg and oxygen is O. First, magnesium atomic number of magnesium is 12 and oxygen is 8. First, you write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of magnesium is 282 and oxygen 26. By attaining stability O, magnesium attain octet electronic configuration by donating this 2 electron to this oxygen atom, and oxygen atom get octet by receiving these 2 electrons from magnesium. So, the valency of magnesium is 2 and also the valency of oxygen is also 2. Next, number of electrons shared also 2. Number of electrons transferred or shared is 2 and also 2. So, valency is 2, 2. Consider HF, hydrogen fluoride. The constituent elements are hydrogen and fluorine and its atomic number is 1, electronic configuration 1. Then next, fluorine, the electronic configuration is 27. Can you write the atomic number? Okay, total number of electrons equal to 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Then number of electrons transferred or shared equal to 1. So, valency is 1 and fluorine number of electrons shared or transferred is 1. So, valency is 1. Next, in carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride, constituent elements are carbon and chlorine. Atomic number of carbon is 6 and electronic configuration is 2, 4. 2, 4 and number of electrons so shared or transferred are equal to 4 and its valency is 4. Next, consider chlorine. Electronic configuration 287. Can you write the atomic number? 2 plus 8 plus 7 equal to 17 and valency or number of electrons shared or transferred equal to 1 and its valence is 1. Its valence is 1. Okay, next one is from valency to chemical formula. From valency to chemical formula. Okay, first consider the compound magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Okay, the symbol of magnesium is Mg and its atomic number 12 and its electronic configuration 282. Number of electrons donated or shared is 2. Number of electrons shared or donated or transfer is 2 and its valence is 2. Then consider chlorine, atomic number 17 and electronic configuration 287, valency or number of electrons shared or transferred is 2. Then how many electrons are donated? Magnesium 2 electrons and how many chlorine atoms are here? There is only one chlorine atom. So 2 chlorine atom accept 2 electrons from magnesium donated by magnesium. 2 chlorine atom accept the electrons from magnesium and we can write the chemical formula of magnesium is Mg. Magnesium donate 2 electrons to chlorine. So 2 chlorine atoms accept the electrons. So we can write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride is like this way. What is meant by chemical formula? The method of indicating total number of atoms in a molecule is known as chemical formula. This is the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Okay. Then next one is aluminum fluoride. Aluminum fluoride. Aluminum fluoride, the symbol of aluminum is Al and atomic number is 13 and fluorine atomic number 9. First you write the electronic configuration of aluminum 283 and the number of electrons donated or received is 3 or aluminum donate 3 electrons to fluorine atom. Next, fluorine electronic configuration 2, 7 and number of electrons accept is 1. How many fluorine atoms are required to receive the electrons donated by aluminum? How many fluorine atoms are required to accept electrons donated by aluminum? 3 fluorine atoms. 3 fluorine atoms because aluminum donate 3 electrons. So, 3 fluorine atoms are required to accept the electrons from aluminum. So, the chemical formula of this compound is AlF3. AlF3. Next question is, write the chemical formula of sodium oxide. Write the chemical formula of sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. First, the symbol of sodium is Na and atomic number 11. Then, oxygen, atomic number 8. First, you write the electronic configuration 281 and this 26. Sodium donate 1 electrons to oxygen atom. How many sodium atoms are needed to donate electrons to oxygen atoms? Okay, 2 sodium atom donate 2 electrons to 1 oxygen atom. 2 sodium atom donate 2 electrons to. This is the symbol of or chemical formula of sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Next one is aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride, symbol Al, atomic number 13 and electronic configuration 283. And its valency or number of electrons shared or donated is 3. And chlorine 287, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287 and valency or number of electrons shared or transferred or donated is 1. Here 3 electrons donated aluminum atoms to chlorine atom. Chlorine atom except these 3 electrons. How many chlorine atoms are required to accept the electrons donated by aluminum? How many? Okay, 3 chlorine atoms. These 3 electrons are accepted by 3 chlorine atoms. So, its chemical formula is AlCl3. This is the chemical formula of aluminum chloride. We can find out that valency plays an important role for formulating chemical formula. Okay. Then next, another way to represent the chemical formula is, first one, can you write the chemical formula of aluminum oxide? Aluminum oxide. Okay. Which are the constituent elements in aluminum oxide? Which are the constituent elements? Okay, aluminum and oxygen. The constituent elements are aluminum and oxygen, and its symbols are Al and O. Okay. First you write the symbols of aluminum and oxygen, considering the low electronegative you write first, then after higher electronegative element after second one. First you write the low electronegative element. Here consider aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum is less electronegative compared to oxygen atom. So, we write first the symbol of aluminum. Write first symbol aluminum, then write the symbol oxygen. Okay, then can you tell me the valency of aluminum? Aluminum 13 2, 8, 3. So its valency is 3. Its valency is 3. And can you tell me the valency of oxygen? 8, 2, 6. So in this case valency is 2. So interchange the valencies and write the base index of these elements. Base index of these elements. So the valency of oxygen put into aluminum, or write the base index of aluminum, and valency of aluminum write at the base of or base index of oxygen. Okay. Al2O3. This is the chemical formula of aluminum oxide. This is the chemical formula of aluminum oxide. First, you write the symbols of elements in that compound. First, you consider electronegative, less electronegative element. First, you write. Then, after high electronegative element. Okay. Then, next compound. Next compound is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. The symbol of carbon is C and oxygen is O. Then you write the valency. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2, 4 and valency 4. And oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2, 6 and valency 2. First you write the less electronegative element first. Carbon is less electronegative, and then oxygen. Then interchange the valency and write at the base index. Write base index. Okay, first interchange. The valency of carbon is 4 and valency of oxygen is 2. Interchange the valency. Put the valency of carbon to oxygen and the valency of oxygen to carbon. Okay, here valency 2 and oxygen 4. Divide these two valency with a common factor. Okay, divide these two valencies, base index valencies, with a common factor. Okay, 2 cancel, C1, 2 cancel, 2, C1, O2. If there is a presence of 1, it is need not to indicate or written. Okay, then the chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. First, you write the symbols, then find out the valency and interchange the valency. Consider less electronegative first and high electronegative second. Then interchange the valencies and divide a common factor. Then last we get the chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. CO2. Next one is, here is a table for you in your textbook. First one, potassium. Potassium, page number 39. Page number 39. First one, potassium. Its valency is 1. Potassium, K, symbol K. Its valency is 1. And oxygen, valency 2. And the name of the compound is potassium oxide. Potassium oxide, and chemical formula is K2O3. O. Interchange the valency. Interchange the valency. Okay, next one, zinc. Zinc, valency 2. Valency 2 and chlorine. Chlorine, valency, bromine, valency 1. Then name of the compound, zinc bromide. Zinc bromide and write the chemical formula, interchange the valency, then ZnBr2. ZnBr2, zinc bromide. Next one, carbon. Carbon, symbol C, valency 4 and chlorine, symbol Cl and valency 1 and the name of the compound is, chemical name of the compound is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride and the chemical formula is interchange the valency CCl4. CCl4. Next one is magnesium. Magnesium, symbol Mg, valency 2 and fluorine, symbol F and valency 1. The compound is magnesium fluoride. Magnesium fluoride and the chemical formula is MgF2. MgF2. Next one is page number 40. Some elements and their valencies are given. Using these, write the chemical formula of 4 compounds. The valency elements and their valencies are given. Using this, write the chemical formula of 4 compounds. Oxygen valency 2, chlorine, oxygen valency 2, chlorine valency 1, lithium valency 1 and zinc valency 2. Okay, then you make 4 compounds. Find out 4 compounds using these valency. First consider zinc. Zinc and oxygen. Zinc valency 2 and oxygen valency 2. First you write the less electronegative element first, then high electronegative second, then interchange the valency. Here the valency of zinc is 2 and oxygen also 2. Then divide a common factor. Divide with a common factor. Here 2 by 2, this cancel and Zn1 O1. If there is a presence of 1, it need not to written. So its chemical formula is ZnO. Its chemical formula is ZnO. Next one, consider zinc and chlorine. Consider zinc valency 2, chlorine valency 1. Zinc and chlorine. First you write the less electronegative element first, then after high electronegative after. Okay, zinc first write, then chlorine. Interchange the valencies. Interchange the valencies. Then put zinc 1, Cl 2. If there is a presence of 1, it need not to written. Chemical formula of zinc chloride is Zn Cl2. Next one is consider Li valency, Li valency 1 and chlorine valency 1. Chemical formula Li 1 Cl1. The valency of chlorine and Cl are equal. So, its chemical formula is LiCl. LiCl. Okay. Next, Li and O. Li valency 1 and oxygen valency 2. First, less electronegative write first, then high electronegative element, then interchange the valencies. Okay. Li2O1. The valency of Li is 1. Put that value in oxygen. So, if there is a presence of 1, it need not to return. So, the chemical formula of LiO2, lithium oxide, is LiO2. Now, this is the time to wind up my class. Okay, thank you.